Thanks for tuning in to PRsRealm. Today I'm going to review the brand new Roku Express for 2020. I just received it as a gift, so I haven't hooked it up yet. I'm going to show you what it comes with, tell you what I know so far, and then I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to hook it up, and from there I'm going to give it some time so I could test it out, try the channels, and let you know what I found to be great channels, what were the positives, what were the negatives. Well, since I haven't hooked it up, so far I know it runs for about $29, which is a great price. It could make any TV a smart TV. It comes with a remote. It goes to full HD, unfortunately not 4K Ultra, but that's not a major downfall. And it comes with a little device that you plug into the TV. You could either take the USB cord and plug that USB cord into a port in your TV to get power, or plug it into the wall. It also comes with an HDMI wire, because like I said, it's 1080p, so it is full HD, but again, not 4K. Okay, before I go any further, I just wanted to show you how simple the setup is. On this end, I have the HDMI wire that connects into one of the HDMI slots, which right now mine's in HDMI 3 because I have HDMI 1 and 2 covered. And then the next wire is the USB cord, which if you don't have a USB outlet, you could use this, plug it into your wall. Luckily, like I said, for me, I have two USB ports. So I plugged it in right to the TV. Let's move on to the next step. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And as you see right here, this is the little strap I was talking about. I buckled it down so it can't be moved. The good thing is, this is removable, so at any time if I want to change the location of this, I could take this off. It's not going to damage the furniture, or if you want to put it on a wall, if there was a spot directly on the TV, although that would block the view of the TV, so I didn't want to do that. So getting started, I'm going to go through it with you, which I'll most likely speed this up, so you'll see it, but in a faster mode. So I'm going to stop it right here, and in about a week I'm going to give you a review as to best apps, what I thought of it, what I think of it, what I plan on doing for the future, and so on. So it's been close to a week, and I had some time to look it through. So here's the part everyone's been waiting for. What does the Roku Express have to offer? I'll tell you this, the possibilities are endless. Right now, I have about 142 channels, or exactly 142 channels. I had over 200 when I started this, and it's not that all those channels were bad, but they didn't really offer what I wanted, or the same things were on other channels. So, I started out with featured free, which is right here. In featured free, they'll give you apps such as Tubi and Crackle, the Roku channel. All those are great channels. Some of the other channels that people may not have heard of, FilmRise. Now the thing about FilmRise, which is right here, it's not just one channel. There's multiple FilmRise channels. There's FilmRise Horror, Paranormal, Mystery, pretty much anything you could think of. And as I'm talking about it, I'm going through so you could actually see some of the channels like Barcroft. Some of these things you could actually see on YouTube and other places, but they also have their own channel on Roku. And from what I read, anyone that's into making their own channel could actually make a channel on Roku. Possibly in the future I might think of it, but for now I'll just stick with YouTube. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this just out of a hobby. So back to the story, and let's go on. They have things like DIY tech, as you see here. They have science and tech, DIY Max, which if you don't know, it stands for do it yourself. Anyone that loves animals, they have various animal channels. And I'm getting, as you see as I go along, there's lots of movie channels. See, like here, FilmRise Mystery. There's quite a few I downloaded. FilmRise Thriller, FilmRise Free TV, Horror, Documentary, World Cinema, Classics, Sci-Fi, True Crime, Action, and further down, History, Drama, Family, Indie, and there's many more. Any channel you could think of, FilmRise has it. So that is definitely one of the first things you should look at. Put in FilmRise, and the great thing is, every channel's free. Another good channel is Snag Films. While the movies aren't brand new, they do have some within the 2000s and 2010s, but there are some great unknown movies, which is similar in things like Yu, Midnight Pulp, only they tend to have some more foreign movies from places in Asia, and the movies are a little newer than Snag Films. Canopy is a very good app. The only thing is you need to find out if your local library participates in it, because in order to use that, you need to hook it up to your library card, and not all library cards use it. There's another channel called Dark Matter TV that has like a lot of horror, sci-fi, and action films. Some of these channels, like I said, I haven't got to, like the free games. So I'm not definite how great the games are, but it's something I'm definitely going to look further into. I'm more into the movies and stuff like that. So I went through some of these channels. Grindhouse, for anyone that likes Grindhouse films. Of course, they're not going to have the brand new stuff, but they do have a lot of the old Grindhouse movies. Fight Night, that's a good channel if you like to watch World Star Hip Hop. They actually have a lot of the World Star Hip Hop videos on there. And just like the name says, it's just fights. So if you like to watch random fights with people, the quality isn't the best, but you'll get a lot of fighting. Pluto, some of you may have heard of. That gives you a lot of free TV. Vivo, that's the same one that does the music. You could see on YouTube where it says Vivo and whatever artist it is. So there's a lot of music, old and new, if you love music videos. Zumo's a great channel. Of course there's YouTube, but that's basic. Everyone knows that. You're on YouTube right now. PBS, if you like to watch documentaries. Most people don't watch PBS, although there are some great documentaries on PBS. Movie Guide tells you about a lot of the free movies. A lot of them are very self-explanatory. Like, for example, Police Chases. It's like watching one of those world's wildest police chases nonstop. If I were to recommend this, I would definitely say yes. It's a great device. This one's $29.99. They have various models going all the way up to $99.99. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe, share, like the video, and tell me what you thought in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. www.youtube.com/PRsRealm.